IT trainer. So today we are going to look at how to insert a cover page to your document. So to insert a cover page to your document, you need to come and then click on the insert tab, but right now we are already within the insert tab. Then you will have to come to this option for cover page. So you will click there. So you will be able to see that we already have lots and lots of templates that you can be able to click on and just edit, and you can be able to use it as your cover page. So I am going to click on this mod cover page template. So when I click on that, it is going to automatically insert itself for me. So in here I can be able to put the book title or the document title, and then if there is some subtitle also, I can decide to put that. So I have decided to ensure that this one is going to be Introductory Guide to Space Science. And then you can also be able to type the abstract. Abstract is just a quick insight of what the book is going to contain, or what the document is all about. And then down here you can be in position to type the author name, the name of the author who is publishing that particular article or that journal or that book, whatsoever the case may be. And then you can also include other things like the publishing date also. So I think this video has been informative for you. So thank you so much for watching, and I also urge you to subscribe to the channel so that next time I make any kind of video related to this, you don't want to miss out on that.